Alright, I don't know what numbers I need to get on these slabs, but I wanted to show you the areas that have scuffs on them. Now you have to look at it at an angle, so I don't know how good you're going to be able to see it in the video. But here it's got swirls. They're not terrible, but they're there. Here, we got lines. Here, we've got a big old circle. Here is lines, got lines. Here, swirl. Lines, lines. Now this side over here looks pretty decent, then you got about half the slab on this one. So you got basically 22 inches. Well, on this one here, you got about 30 inches down. You got about 16 inches over. So, I mean, that's a lot. I mean, I can use like, I don't know, I can use probably half of this slab. I'm gonna try to use all I can. You know, I just spent 30-45 minutes cleaning it all, setting up light, looking over to find the scratches. This is the tag on this one. Alright, this is the next slab. Got scuffs here. Here. Here, all the way across there. 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 Swirls here. Scuffs there. So basically this whole slab. We got a little area. Over here, over to here. Not a lot we can use with this one. Not maybe half a slab. Maybe. Alright, so even though I am getting some of the scuffs in this, I tried to get everything I could, but all this is waste. So half of this slab, at least half of this slab is waste. Pretty much nothing I can get out of this. So it only took 20 minutes cleaning it off. marking it. Now we're unloading it, we'll have to do the same thing with the next one. Alright, this one's the best one out of them. It's got swirls here in this corner. And then across the middle, it's got the stuff. But I don't have a choice but to try to make it work. As you can see, I've got stuff there, stuff there. I've got one here, which I'm going to try to use the center of the seam. So it's a lot better than the other ones, but it's still got a bunch of issues.